welcome traders. Welcome guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. We had some consolidation. So we've seen some consolidation in Forex. So we'll talk about that. Otherwise, equities are moving fine. All the markets are moving fine. Just Forex is slowing a bit. So welcome guys. Welcome. Hope you're ready for a great trading week. All right, let's get right into it. We'll take a look at big picture this evening. All right, welcome Mohammed. Welcome. We'll take a look at gold for you today. All right, let's take a look here. Big picture, guys. We're going to start with the Dow. Look at that, guys. New highs on the Dow last week. All right, all-time highs, not just new highs, all-time highs on the Dow. Here we are in October. Just amazing run. Dow is at 43,000, guys, on the Dow. All right, on the weekly time frame. All right, monthly time frame, same thing. All right, buy signal here, break of resistance. All right, big candles for the month. Markets holding firm. All right, so that's the Dow. S&P, same thing, guys. New all-time high territory on the weekly time frame. Here's the buy signal here on the weekly. All green candles, nothing to do. Big buyers coming in, holding the S&P up for large caps. And on the monthly time frame, so current month right here on the S&P also. Buy signal here on the break of this resistance. All right. Higher highs, higher lows. Look at this. Just amazing price action. Every week, guys, we've been talking about this price action. As a matter of fact, every month, right, it's been moving higher and higher. How many months is this? Okay, so from this pullback here at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, whole year, guys, whole year. Market's been moving higher. If we count these months here also, from where it made the bottom, right? Gosh, what's that, a year and a half? Amazing price action on the S&P. NASDAQ, all right, same thing. We did have a pullback here, and here we are breaking, looking to break the all-time high on the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ did retrace a bit more than the other pairs. I mean, the other indexes from the last pullback, but holding firm, looking to break through that resistance on the weekly time frame. And here we are, monthly time frame on the NASDAQ, right? Good price action, moving up higher here, all-time high territory. Russell finally looking to get into the action, okay? Into the action here. Buy signal here. We have strong resistance, goes back all the way to 2021 on the Russell. Buy signal here. Here we are looking to break through that resistance. If we break through resistance, guys, the all-time high on the Russell was about, what's that? About a little over 240. Here we are at price closed at 225, but we need small caps to move. So if the Russell breaks through, we'll see small caps move higher. That's on the weekly. On the monthly time frame for the Russell, we're right here, guys, right at resistance, looking to break higher. VIX is coming down a bit. All right, we talked about the VIX being at 20, closed on Friday at 18, guys. So 18 on the VIX. That's good. We need the VIX to come on down, right? Lower that volatility if we need stocks to continue to move higher. The Magnificent Seven. All right, NVIDIA is doing really, really good, guys. Buy signal here on a break of resistance for NVIDIA. Apple, let's take a look at Apple here. Breaking resistance. Look here, we talked about these big resistance levels for these Magnificent Seven stocks. Apple had a buy signal here, finally broke through that resistance here on Friday. Okay, Amazon, right, holding right at resistance for Amazon. So you guys see this here, still holding near a range on Amazon. And, you know, we can also look at Apple, still holding but breaking out. Okay, that's what we want to see in October. All right, in October, we want to see the stocks set up for the Christmas rally. Microsoft still consolidating between support and resistance. Last buy signal came in May, late May. Give a sell signal in July and just consolidating. So Microsoft has a lot to do, a lot more work to do here. Google, let's see here. All right, buy signal here, still consolidating, has a wedge right here. We need to break through that resistance and move higher. Facebook, Meta, Facebook, guys, look at Meta. All right, good buy signal came in on a break of this resistance, holding firm, new resistance levels right up here. All right, so Facebook looking really good, and it has definitely broken out. Tesla, all right, sell signal on Tesla, nothing here, guys. So it's just holding between support and resistance here. So it's caught in a range, right? Resistance here, support here, nothing to do. Hopefully buyers can come on back in. All right, and we can break through that resistance right here. A lot of work has to be done with Tesla. Okay, a lot of work. Bitcoin, guys, is trading at 69,900. All right, 980 to be exact. All right, so remember we talked about Bitcoin giving a buy signal on the daily time frame. So we look at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. All right, I think we do have a buy signal. We'll take a look at Bitcoin on a daily time frame. Just remember, guys, we only track the major coins. Okay, so Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, just the major. But most of your cryptocurrencies will follow Bitcoin's lead. Okay, we'll look at Bitcoin on the daily time frame a little later. On the dollar index. All right, currently the dollar index, it's down a bit, but it's still holding a big month, guys, a big month for the dollar index. Okay, right here, the dollar index, you guys see that here. Made a bounce from 100, big support at that 100 area right here. Held support, got a red candle, but boy, that reversed quickly. White candle here, all right. We were hoping that we would get a green candle for the month, guys. All right, we were hoping that we'll get enough buyers, turn this candle green. Doesn't look that way currently. All right, but we still have what? Still have some time left into the month. All right, so we'll see. If not, we'll look for next month to get a green candle and finally break out of this downward trend line here. All right, let's do this. Since we're out of that support area here, all right, let's do this. All right, let's bring in this trend line here, right in here, right here. All right, and we're looking for a bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here, bounce here. We're now looking to break through that resistance here. Okay, that's on the dollar index. On the daily time frame, we do have a buy signal on the dollar index. We'll take a look at it, and it is moving up nicely. Pound yen, guys, pound yen has been a bit tricky. All right. On the weekly time frame, we've had 1, 2, 3 weeks with no real movement in pound yen. All right, this move was big here, but on the weekly time frame, see here, no price action, guys, just flat on the weekly time frame. So if you've noticed not a lot of move in pound yen or in the yen pairs, that's why, right? It's kind of flattened out. What we're hoping for is a breakthrough. All right, so we do have near-term resistance here. All right, we're looking to break through here on pound yen weekly time frame. On the monthly time frame, holding right above that resistance. But again, we need buyers to continue to push higher. But good price action on the monthly time frame, looking to break through resistance here. Yen, the Japanese yen, this is what we like to see, right? Yen goes down, pound yen, the other yen pairs go up. All right, so the yen, Japanese yen, give a sell signal, all red candles. All right, so that's in the markdown phase, and we've got support right here. So let's see if it can get back to these support areas. All right, support here, and then we've got support all the way down here. So we can move these All right, so now we're going back down. All right, so support right here. Let's see if we could get to that support. Okay, bonds. All right, nothing going on with bonds, guys. Just holding that trend line, upward trend line right here, right here, right here, right here. And then here we are right here for bonds. As equities moves higher, bonds will move down or just hold, okay? Gold, guys, big move in gold. This is a weekly time frame, amazing, all right? Gold is at 27.38, no sign of slowing down, all right? Broke a big consolidation, big range, right, that was formed back all the way back in 2021, end of 2020, all right, 2021 right here. As a matter of fact, August 2020 made a high, stayed within that area, all right, until this year, 2024, finally broke out. So we had resistance here, here, finally broke out. Big move in gold. Okay, if you guys are looking for an opportunity, all right, so Mohammed looking for an opportunity in gold, every time frame I think is taken. All right, so 60-minute time frame, guys, buy signal here. Look at that move. Too late to get in on that time frame. Let's bring in a 30-minute time frame. Even on the 30-minute time frame, all right, that's gone. I'm sure our gold trader Peter is doing really well. All right, 15-minute time frame. Even on the 15-minute time frame, guys, it's moving well. Let's bring in the ridiculous 5-minute time frame. Even on the 5-minute time frame, it's moving. So our gold traders, hopefully you guys are taking advantage of this move, okay? Daily time frame, right? Breaking out here on the daily time frame. All right, so we'll bring it back on the weekly. So amazing trade going on with gold. Let's take a look at big picture for gold. Monthly time frame. Oh my goodness, look at that. Monthly time frame, guys, look at that. Big moves in gold. All right. And right now, so far, doesn't look like it wants to pull back. So we have a lot of buyers in gold. Okay. Silver is making a move. All right. And we talked about silver. It was lagging a bit. But however, silver tends to move first, then gold, right? In this rotation, gold is moving first, all right? And silver is following. So silver, big candle came in right here, moving higher. Silver is at $30, okay? So big difference in the prices, all right? So gold, $2,739. Silver, all right, $30, guys. Your best opportunity is actually with silver and not gold, okay? But it's up to you guys what you trade, but silver is moving higher, and it is breaking out, and it is less expensive, okay? All right. The dollar index, we talked about the dollar index. Dollar index on the daily time frame, we have a buy signal. Currently, the dollar index is down, all right? So just be aware of that, guys, all right? We have a really good setup. Marked down phase, marked up phase, buy signal here, okay? Currently, like I said, it's down, but it's holding its buy signal. The target is all the way here at 105. Support here is at 100 right here, okay? Buyers are coming in the E-minis. So we'll take a look at the US 30. Okay, so we are calling a buy signal on the US 30. We'll take a look at the US 30, but I can see it right now. We're calling a buy signal, okay? All right. Sectors. We haven't gone through the sectors in a while, okay? So let's go through the sectors, all right, in equities. The top sector right now, guys, is telecom. Look at the move in telecom. So buy signal here on the daily time frame. Look at that, guys. All this really good price action, all green candles. Buy signal here, all right? Buy signal here, moving up nicely. On the daily, look at the weekly. Really good price action here on the weekly. I know it's hard to see on the weekly here. Here it is on the weekly. Good price action on the weekly. I might just keep this here for now, Okay, right here for now. Okay, the next one is let's see here, industrial. So industrial, guys, buy signal here, good price action on the daily, weekly. Look at the weekly here. So I want to show you guys what's going on with these sectors. They're doing really well. Gold, we talked about gold already. Here is gold, the GLD, all right, and on the weekly, all right, this is what it's doing here on the weekly. All right, utilities, which is surprising. All right, usually it's utilities, a flight to safety, but it is moving higher. All right, it is moving higher here. Buy signal here, good price action. And look at the weekly time frame, guys. We have just about everything is moving in equities, okay? So the sectors are moving. Communication services, buy signal here, moving up nicely. Look at the price action on the weekly here. All right, really good price action on the weekly. So don't short this market, guys. You will get squeezed. All right, home builders, buy signal here, moving up on the daily and on the weekly, right? Follow your trends. Real estate, all right, bought here, sold here. We're looking for a new buy signal, and look at the weekly time frame. Amazing price action, all right? Financials, another big sector, okay? Buy signal here, moving up nicely on the daily, and look at the weekly, guys. Just a really good price action, all right, all the way. If you guys see this here, all right, look at that. Look at that price action here on the weekly, buy signal all the way down here on financials, okay? So every sector is doing well. Consumer discretionary, another good sector, guys. Buy signal here, moving up on the daily. Here we are on the weekly. All right, consumer staples. All right, no buy signal yet. This is surprising. We had a previous buy signal here, sell signal, just waiting for another buy signal, but surprise, this closed. All right, usually fourth quarter, right, consumer staples will do well, but on the weekly, holding firm right here. No complaints there. Tech, all right, tech, NASDAQ, a bit soft in here, but breaking out buy signal here, right? A lot of, right, consolidation in here, but buy signal here, moving up nicely now, and all green candles on the weekly time frame, okay? All right, struggling a bit, right? Struggling a bit here, but is breaking out finally. Materials breaking out, buy signal here, breaking out on the daily and on the weekly. Biotech struggling a bit, guys. So your biotech, those biotech stocks, be careful with those, okay? And those can be volatile. All right, so we know biotech, that sector is not doing well. So just be careful, not only with biotech, but healthcare. Okay, so just be careful. We will take a look at the healthcare sector. Silver, we talked about silver, big move up in silver, and also on the weekly time frame. So daily time frame, weekly time frame, and then healthcare. So healthcare, just like biotech, struggling a bit. Okay, now for healthcare, biotech to really move, guys, they got to break through that resistance up here for healthcare, and then biotech, right, is going to break through that resistance right up here. Give a buy signal to start to get going. Energy, nothing, guys. Energy is flat. What's the price on crude? Crude is at 90. Oh, I didn't realize that. So crude is at 90. All right, so it did make a jump. Okay, so we'll keep an eye on crude. If it can get past 94, all right, that might create a trade. Okay, but a lot of consolidation. All right, it was crude was all the way down to about 83 or so. Okay, but I'm surprised it made a move up to 90. Okay, all right, so these are your sectors. Buy signal still holding on the daily time frame on the S&P. So we still have buy signals, guys. S&P buy signal on the daily. We have all 4 Indexes giving buy signal. NASDAQ buy signal on the daily. You guys know we track these buy signals on the daily time frame. If we get sell signals, we will change our mind. The Dow also has a buy signal, and the Russell right here has a buy signal. Okay, so all four indexes giving buy signals, and your sectors, overall sectors are holding firm right here. VIX is at 18. Okay. So overall, equities are fine. There's no crash in the equity markets. All right, no selling. Buyers are definitely in control. Okay. So our stock boss traders, bull master traders, even our bull master pro traders for equities, you guys should be trading, all right, these markets. Okay. Let's go through current positions. Current positions in Monster Scalper for Forex. We'll start with the 60-minute time frame, see how these trades are doing. All right, dollar pairs first, guys. We are loaded up with the dollar pairs and the yen pairs. Let's see how they're doing. So USD SEK, guys, USD SEK buy signal here. Red candle came in, so close the trade. Remember, we count those red candles as sell signal, all right? But not a bad trade. Buy signal here, sell signal here, red candle, close the trade, please. USD SEK. All right, next one, USD PLN. Good trade, guys. All right, let me remove these. All right, buy signal here, sell signal here on a break of support, buy signal here on a break of resistance. Red candle came in, white arrow, that's your sell signal. Close the trade, please. All right. No emotions. All right, USD HUF, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. Close the trade, and guess what? It reached its target right here. So if you were quick enough to get out, you should be out at this first red candle right here, not here, guys. Okay, first red candle, we should be out. Okay. All right. So USD HKD. All right, close the trade, please. USD SGD. All right, buy signal here, sell signal here, close the trade. Okay, so we got out here, we got back in, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. USD SGD. Dollar CAD, buy signal here, still holding. We are hoping this one breaks resistance, but since some of these pairs are closing, guys, keep an eye. This one could close, okay? So stay with it closely. Dollar CAD. USD CNH, good trade here. All right, so buy signal here, we had resistance, failed to break resistance, broke support right here. Right, we had a red candle, sell signal, white arrow here, close the trade. Good trade here, USD CNH, okay? USD DKK. So you guys see, guys, the dollar pairs are closing. Okay, they're closing. All right, so USD DKK on the 60-minute. Okay, buy signal here, red candle right here, white arrow, sell signal, close the trade, please. Good trades, though. Good trades. USD NOK, another great trade there. All right, buy signal. I forgot. We'll take a look at Forex. I'll show you guys the consolidation that's coming into Forex. So we don't mind when these trades close, right? If consolidation comes in, that's what we want to do. Close those trades, take your profits or take your loss, all right? And move on. USD NOK, buy signal here on a break of this resistance. Broke support right here. Red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. Good trade, guys. Really nice trade here. USD NOK. Dollar ZAR. All right. buy signal on a break of resistance right here, red candle, sell signal, close the trade, please. Okay, close the trade, please. Dollar, ZAR. All right, Aussie yen, buy signal here, red candle, sell signal, broke support, close the trade, please. Aussie yen. TRY, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. So guys, these trades are closing on the 60. SGD, JPY, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade. Horrible trading there with the yen pairs. All right, CAD yen, buy signal here, fail. Look at that, guys. Really struggle to break through that resistance. So we have strong resistance here on CAD yen. Right here, right here, right here. All right, so buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. CAD yen. HKD JPY, same thing. Buy signal here, strong resistance. All right, and if you guys notice, when we take a look at Monster Forex Tracker, you guys will see the consolidation. And look here, that's what these pairs are doing here. So just be aware of that. Dollar yen, same thing. Buy signal here, same thing. Bought here on a break of resistance, right? Resistance becomes support. Broke support, red candle, close the trade, please. Too bad. Swiss yen, buy signal here, sell signal, close the trade, please. So we only have one trade, guys. All right. In Monster Scalper on the 60-minute time frame, and that is dollar CAD. And even with dollar CAD, we want to keep an eye on that. That could close. Okay, no shorts currently. No shorts. Okay, the 240 normally the 240 will hold these trades much better. Let's take a look. We'll take a look at equities on Tuesday. USD SEK, guys, buy signal here, holding firm. That's good. Dollar Swiss, buy signal here, holding firm for now. Okay, dollar Swiss, so they are holding much better, right, on the 240. But we'll see how long that lasts. All right, USD CAD, dollar CAD, great trade here, guys. Look at that. Buy signal here, sell signal right here, close the trade. So bought here, sold here, beautiful trade there, dollar CAD. All right. All right, next trade, USD CNH. All right, USD CNH, another great trade. So guys, although things are closing, we've had some really, really good trades. All right, USD CNH, buy signal here on a break of this resistance, broke support right here. You guys can see that support line right here. White arrow here, sell signal. Close the trade, please. Right, good trade. Lots of pips there. USD CNH, USD DKK. This trade is holding so far, guys, but it might close along with the others. Okay, buy signal all the way down here. All green candles. Keep an eye on it. Okay, USD DKK, USD MXN. All right, buy signal here, and that is holding so far. Again, keep an eye on it. Okay, all these pairs, right? You guys need to keep an eye on those pairs. Okay, TRY JPY. I'm holding here right at resistance right here. TRY JPY. All right, buy signal here. That's holding right here, trying to make a move higher. Look at that. All right. That's encouraging. HKD JPY holding. SGD JPY holding here, looking to break through that resistance. So the yen pairs are struggling to hold, all right, on the 240. Pound yen, buy signal here, holding firm. All right, we said dollar yen, dollar yen. So the yen pairs here, right, really struggling to hold. They're trying to hold, but no sell signals on these yen pairs. Now, Forex dominator on the daily time frame. Finally, guys, we've seen some good price action in Forex Dominator long on the daily time frame. Let's take a look at those. All right. Dollar USD HUF, guys, buy signal here, moving up nicely, looking to break through that resistance right here. USD SEK, buy signal here, target all the way up here. So these trades are holding fine. USD CZK, buy signal here, holding. USD HUF, dollar Swiss, buy signal here, good markdown phase, guys. The goal, you see that the resistance is up here. Look at clearly defined resistance. Here, here, here. Buy signal here. We need that price action to walk up all the way back up here. Okay? USD Swiss, dollar Swiss. All right. PLN. HUF. All right. They're moving fast, guys. Dollar CAD, DKK. Okay, so USD DKK, we have resistance right up here. All right, so we need buy signal here. We're moving up nicely there. Okay, and now the yen pairs, Aussie yen holding, TRY, JPY, Turkish pair, buy signal here. Let's clean this up. All right, bring in your trend lines. And here we are, buy signal, green candles, and our target, our first target. Now remember, guys, it's on the daily time frame. Lots of pips if we can make it all the way back up here, right? ZAR yen. All right, HKD, CAD yen. Holding. Keep an eye on CAD yen, guys. We have purple support and resistance, so it might be overbought here. All right, keep an eye on that. All right, SGD JPY holding nicely. Dollar yen. All right, dollar yen holding firm. Pound yen, guys. Look at pound yen. Good setup here for pound yen. All right, so guys, we have a good markdown phase, good selling. Buy signal here. We're moving higher. And we have near-term resistance. Look at this. If pound yen breaks through that resistance, we could see it move, make a big move higher. You guys know pound yen will move. All right, so we have resistance here. Support, previous support was here. Buy signal here. We have a wedge here, right? Related triangle right here. Wedge, looking to break through that wedge there. Pound yen. And then Swiss yen, okay, similar, very close to pound yen. Buy signal here, and we need to break through near-term resistance, and we can actually move this right up here. All right, so all the trades finally, Forex Dominator is moving again. All right, takes a while because these are big macro moves. All right, in Forex Dominator, but they're definitely moving, okay? All right. The US 30, I want to show you guys what's going on with the US 30. So we're going to call a buy signal on the US 30, okay? So buy signal, guys, we have a buy signal here. Now we call this previous buy right here. We call this buy, and we call this buy signal here. We call in a new buy signal on the US 30. So US 30, buy signal on the 60-minute time frame. I know some of you traded right on the smaller time frame, 5-minute time frame. You can still do that. Just change your time frame, but we track it on the 60-minute. So buy signal right here, guys. We are breaking out. Do we have data coming out? Let's check. All right. So Monday morning, no data. All right, so no data coming out. Futures are up, so we could have a trade without a lot of interference. Okay, so buy signal here, and look at the daily, guys, which is your trend, right? So we want to identify the trend on the larger time frame. So on the daily time frame, look, good price action, all green candles. We're moving up nicely on the daily here. And so we have a buy signal here, so we'll call that. Okay, let's take a look at the NAS 100. All right, on the NAS 100, we'll call it also. Now we call a sell to get out. All right, let's see here. It is moving higher again. And let's bring this here. So also NAS 100. 100. Buy on the 60-minute time frame, and on the daily we just need a breakout here on the daily, but we'll call that S&P. All right, we'll call the S&P also. We need to break through that resistance though, right here. Buy signal here, we are breaking through. We have a nice cup and handle there, and we are breaking out there. Okay, and before I forget, we'll take a look at Bitcoin on the daily. All right. So the SP, just like last week, we call all three: SP 500, US 30, and the NAS. Okay. All right. All right. Bitcoin. I want to spend some time here. Okay. You guys know on the weekly time frame, all right, we're looking to break through resistance, a big resistance area on the weekly time frame. This resistance here goes back all the way to 2021. All right, to early 2021. This is the end of 2021. All right, this resistance was formed 2024, and here we are looking to break through that resistance. That's a big deal for Bitcoin. All right, and gold is moving higher, so Bitcoin could follow. And equities, S&P, Bitcoin loves to follow the S&P. S&P is moving higher, breaking new highs. Okay, so we could see Bitcoin move higher. It's been in a long consolidation. This on the daily time frame. All right, and we have a buy signal here, so we are looking to break through that resistance. So we're going to call a buy on Bitcoin, but keep in mind, guys, this on the daily time frame. So if you're not trading on the daily time frame, you can't take this buy signal. Okay, so this on the daily time frame, we're calling a buy on Bitcoin. Okay, so it's looking to test to that resistance. Based on the price action, all right, based on the environment, right, we're looking for a bigger move. Okay, for fun, let's take a look at Ethereum. No buy signal yet on Ethereum. Litecoin, let's see, buy signal on Litecoin. So we're going to call a buy signal. Again, this is on the daily time frame on Litecoin, guys. We haven't had a buy signal Litecoin for quite some time there. Okay. All right. Bitcoin Cash. Let's see here. All right. So buy signal also Bitcoin Cash. So there's a move happening. All right. All right. Bitcoin Cash. And that's it. Okay. All right. I don't think we have any positions, guys, on Monster Scalper long. Let's look to see what we've got short. Okay, we'll take a quick look. Too early to go short, but we'll see what's setting up. You guys see sellers coming in here, right? These are all red, so we see sellers coming in. Okay, so we'll go through this quickly. I don't think we'll find anything. All right, so we're seeing sellers come in in the yen pairs. So no sell short signals yet. All right, still very early, guys. All right. And we have to be careful shorting the yen pairs because they're in a big uptrend, okay? All right, nothing in Forex. So on the 60-minute, guys, just um, like I said, we only have dollar CAD left. Just to see, right? There's some buying coming in the euro pairs. Let's see here. All right, euro pairs, still no direction, so nothing there. Okay. If you're gonna trade anything, right, overnight on the 60-minute, just be careful, be selective. Okay. All right, so nothing there. Let's go back here, and then we'll be done. All right, so let's go back here. I'll show you guys what's going on with Forex. Okay, so if you guys notice here, right, we're getting some consolidation, especially on the 240. Okay, especially on the 240, guys. We're getting, let me open this up here more. I think that this looks like about 50% consolidation. Okay, probably more than 50. So all these pairs here in red, they're consolidating. So I would say about 55%, almost 60% consolidation on the 240. That's not good for Forex, okay? Now things can open up and we can get, we can get more volatility back. But right now, consolidation on the 250. We've got about 40% consolidation. All right, 45% consolidation on the 60-minute time frame, and about the same on the daily time frame right here. All right, but this is worrisome here. This is a concern. All right, on the 240, we've got about 55% consolidation. So if that consolidation starts to really get up into this area here, we'll see Forex slow down quite a bit. Okay, so things are mixed. We have no leaders right now. All right, we have selling on the 60-minute with the yen pairs, selling, all right, on the 60-minute with the dollar pairs. And these two groups were moving up nicely, guys. Okay, so we have buyers on the daily, buyers on the 240, but boy, so this needs to shape up. We need buyers to come on back on the 60-minute time frame. Okay, so be careful. If we continue to get consolidation and these yellow pairs here, right, turn red, we'll see some of that consolidation move into the 240. Okay, so just be careful. We don't have any big data coming out. So if we have big data, no big data coming out until Thursday, guys. Thursday, we've got unemployment claims. Friday, no data. So we could see some slowing in Forex. Okay, so just be careful. All right, be careful. With Forex. Otherwise, equities look good. All right, lots of buying in equities. All the sectors are moving, okay, except for which one? Energy. All right. Otherwise, guys, all the sectors are moving, okay. All the markets are making new highs. So S&P making new highs. The Dow is making new highs. NASDAQ is almost near new highs. And also the Russell for small caps is looking to break out, okay. All right, and your US 30 moving, NAS, and your S&P. Okay, all right, guys. Hope this helped. Have a great trading week, and if you guys need me, all right, just go ahead and contact me. You guys know how to reach me, and go ahead and guys like the video. Okay, so go ahead and like and share the video for us, please. All right, guys, take care.